Hi, in today's video I'm gonna give you a short review, a couple of close-ups of this cool trim line. Couple of months ago actually I bought this trim line from Home Depot. So I usually get spool like this for about $15–20. This is 5-pound trim line. So this will probably last me for, I don't know, probably whole my life. So this one was about maybe $15–20. This one is about $30, but this is so much bigger. You can see this is how thick it is. It's 5 pounds online. So I want to give you a review on how well this line works. Is it actually worth it to buy such a big spool? I think it might, so let's find out. So just as a comparison, the one that I bought was 0.65 inch thickness. This one is 0.95, so it's much thicker. I still use this line on my Ryobi trimmer, and I have no problem putting that inside. Just to save time, I already put that line onto my spool. So as you can see, it's already inside. I'm gonna close it and I'm gonna go and see how it works on different materials and see if it's gonna be really strong enough. Before I go and test it, I want to give you a nice close-up of this line. As you can see, it is twisted, which will cause this line to be a little bit more rigid. Has those kind of edges which should cut whatever needs to be cut a little bit better, and because it's twisted, it is supposed to be a little bit stronger. Also, what I like about it, that when you're done with cutting the line, you have a nice loop over here, so you can just hold it in place so the whole spool doesn't open. And now I just want to give you a close-up so you can see how more twisted it is, which should make this line much stronger than the other competitors. Okay, so now I'm gonna go do a little trimming with this line, and I'm gonna try to trim the grass a little bit. I'm also gonna try to go on the metal part, and then over there I have a little bit pieces of wood. I don't know if you can see it. So I'm gonna try to be kind of rough and see if the line is gonna be lasting well. So let's see. So far it works great. I just want to point out that I have a lock on the spool, so it does not extend by itself. So now we can see still the line is the same line. Let's go and do it a little bit more. So far the line is still the same length. The end of it, it's starting to fray a little bit. I'm gonna go on the other side. So I was intentionally trying to hit as much hard objects as possible. As you can see, I only lost maybe quarter inch of the line. So I have to say the line is pretty strong, and the end of the line is frayed just a drop, as you can see. Other than that, I like it. It's much stronger than my other line, and the twisting of the line really does work. Well, I have to say it's a really good product. If you have any questions, send me an email. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Other than that, thanks for watching, guys. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.